Hello, this is McIndoo, the author's coach, and welcome to the Writer's Power Tools. And this is writing power tool number 3, your power environment, your power anchors. Okay? So let's get started on that. One of the things that I have found that produces content and helps you write on demand is to be in the right place. So for instance, when you want to write, where do you go? Do you have a special spot that you go to? Do you have special things around you? Do you put on a lucky shirt or maybe wait until inspiration hits? No. You can write on demand by just triggering your power script, your power move, and going to your power environment. So in my power environment, I love writing at my desk with all my little things around me. And I put around me things that inspire and remind me of how wonderful and what great things have happened to me. For instance, my little pink monkey. My pink monkey was a gift from my husband for our anniversary, and I love it, and he goes everywhere with me. So he inspires me, and he always reminds me of my loving husband. Maybe you have a picture of you and your family or your children, maybe a certificate of achievement, a trophy, a gift from a client. Any of those things that bring back that warm feeling, that great feeling of something amazing you have done. And so that's what I refer to as your writing environment, your writing anchors, things around you that remind you and inspire you about something great. It doesn't have to be about writing, it could be about anything, but that puts you in a really, really great frame of mind to create great content. And that's how you can write on demand. By doing your power script, yes, 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 I love it. By doing your power move, yes, 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 thank you, I love to write. And by creating your writing environment. When you trigger those 3 power tools, you can write on demand. You can do it anytime, any place. Good luck. Now remember, trigger them off before you write, and you'll be able to write on demand.